You ever walk into a walk-in freezer and feel the chill? That's heat load at work. Heat load is the amount of heat energy a refrigeration system needs to remove to keep things cold. Think about it like this. Your fridge is in a constant battle with the outside temperature. The hotter it is outside, the harder your fridge has to work to keep your beer cold. Now, in a small fridge, the heat load isn't a big deal. But in big commercial spaces like supermarkets and restaurants, it's a whole different ballgame. We're talking tons of food, big rooms, and lots of doors opening and closing. All that adds up to a lot of heat that needs to be dealt with. Getting the heat load calculation right is crucial. If you underestimate, your system won't be able to keep up. Imagine a warm beer cooler on a hot summer day. Not good. Overestimating is also a problem. You end up with a system that's too big, wasting energy and costing you more money. That's why HVAC technicians spend years learning how to calculate heat load. It's a complex process that involves a lot of factors. We're talking about the size and shape of the space, the type of insulation, the number of people going in and out, and even the types of lights being used. So how do you actually calculate heat load? Well, it starts with gathering information. First, measure the space length, width, height, gotta know how much air you're cooling. Next, factor in the insulation. Good insulation means less heat sneaking in. Consider the usage. How often are those doors opening? How much food are we storing? And don't forget the lights. Even light bulbs generate heat. Once you have all that info, you can use specialized software or good old-fashioned math to crunch the numbers. It's not rocket science, but it's detailed work. You gotta make sure you're accounting for all the variables. Even with the best calculations, things can go wrong. Maybe a door gets left open, or a gasket wears out. That's why it's important to keep an eye on your system and do regular maintenance. Check for leaks, clean the coils, and make sure the airflow is good. Remember, an efficient refrigeration system saves you money on energy bills and keeps your food fresh. Accurate heat load calculation is the foundation of that efficiency. So next time you enjoy a cold drink, take a moment to appreciate the hard work that goes into keeping things cool.